Hi everyone, welcome back to Omi's Home Cooking. Today's recipe is no-bake breakfast cookies. These cookies are easy to make, healthy, delicious and packed with protein. And these can be done within less than 10 minutes and can be stored up to 2 to 3 weeks. And the best thing about these cookies is you can involve your kids to make these cookies and you can bring a lot of different variations to it. And how you're gonna bring all these different variations, I'm gonna tell you guys during this video. And if you will enjoy this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe our channel to get notification of all the upcoming videos. So let's get started with no-bake breakfast cookies. To make these cookies, first of all, put a small pan on low heat and use 3/4 cup of oats. We need to roast them nicely on low heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. And if you are using roasted oats, then you can just skip this step. Roast them until they release a nice aroma and then turn the heat off. So these are now giving me very nice aroma and I'm going to turn the heat off. Now we need 3/4 cup of peanut butter. You can use any peanut butter. I'm using peanut butter with crunchy bits in it. Put them in a bowl and now we need 1 tablespoon of honey. Microwave these two ingredients for about 30 seconds and mix them well. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 to 3 tablespoons of chia seeds and add roasted oats in it. Mix all the ingredients really well. In this mixture, you can bring different variations by adding either mini chocolate chips, chopped almonds, cashew nuts, raisins, pumpkin seeds, protein powder or flex seeds and make your very own perfect, easiest morning breakfast cookie. Let me know which variation you will enjoy the most. Leave your comments in the comment section. My mixture is now ready. Now we can make cookies using this mixture by taking a small portion and roll it to make a smooth bowl. Once you get a smooth bowl with no cracks on it, then press it gently. You can cover these cracks by pressing it gently with your fingers. We can make 8 to 9 cookies out of it. Now place them on a plate or on a parchment paper and put them in a fridge for 20 to 30 minutes to set. Or you can enjoy them fresh if you have got no patience like me. You can store these breakfast cookies in an airtight container for up to 2 to 3 weeks or enjoy them fresh as they're really easy and quick to make. And guys, if you have enjoyed this recipe, then please make sure to click the like button and subscribe our channel by clicking on the bell icon to get notification for all the upcoming videos. You can also choose to watch next video or a playlist from the screen, and to subscribers use the icon on the screen or a link in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thanks, bye bye.